MCQs of somatic hybridization. MCQs number 1. Which of the following can be done in different plant species? Somatic embryogenesis. B. Protoplast fusion. C. Somatic hybridization. D. All of these. The correct option is option D. All of these. MCQs number 2. First step in somatic hybridization is identification of hybrid plant, protoplast fusion, protoplast isolation, identification of hybrid cells. Correct option is option C, protoplast isolation. MCQs number 3. Hybrid cell is made by fusing two protoplast in calyx culture, suspension culture, gene cloning, somatic hybridization. The correct option is option D, somatic hybridization. MCQs number 4 are used for protoplast fusion. Chemical agent, physogen, vitamins, plant hormones. The correct option is option B, physogens. MCQs number 5. Is the physogen agent polyvinyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propanolol, methanol? The correct option is option A, polyvinyl alcohol. MCQs number 6. The following are method used in hybrid cells selection except A. Cytomeric method, B. Biochemical method, C. Wheel method, D. By PCR. The correct option is option D, by PCR. MCQs number 7. Plant characteristics can be improved by calyx culture, suspension culture, sexual hybridization, somatic hybridization. The correct option is option D, somatic hybridization. MCQs number 8. Somatic embryogenesis is based on sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, both A and B, D, none of these. Correct option is option B, asexual reproduction. MCQs number 9. Which of the following type of plant cells can be used for somatic embryogenesis? Palisade cells of leaves, epidermis, parenchymatous cells of xylem, Mallory cells of a stem. Correct option is option B, epidermis. Excuse number 10. Polyethylene glycol is physiogenic chemical, lactoferrin stimulant, callus stimulant, differentiation stimulant. The correct option is option A, physiogenic chemical. MCQs number 11. Restriction endonucleases are used in genetic engineering and they cut DNA at various sites, join DNA segments, cut RNA at specific site, cut DNA at a specific site. The correct option is option D, cut DNA at a specific sites. MCQs number 12. Restriction endonucleases are used in genetic engineering because they can degrade harmful proteins, they can join DNA fragment, they can cut DNA at specific base sequence, they can cut DNA at variable sites. The correct option is option C, they can cut DNA at specific base sequence. MCQs number 13. Structure involved in genetic engineering is plasmid, codon, plastid, scissors. Correct option is option A, plasmid. MCQs number 14. The first hormone artificially produced by bacteria is insulin, testosterone, adrenaline, thyroxine. The correct option is option A, insulin. MCQs number 15. The first transgenic crop was cotton, flax, tobacco, P. Correct option is option C, tobacco is our first transgenic crop. MCQs number 16. The most common substrate used in distilleries for the production of ethanol is molasses, cornmeal, soybean, ground gram. Correct option is option A, molasses. 17. Nitrogen base which is absent in RNA is cytosine, guanine, thymine, all of these. Correct option is option C. Thymine is not present in RNA. MCQs number 18. The plant Brassica nepus has been modified to produce iodine, lysine-rich seeds, insulin, vitamins. Correct option is option A, iodine. Excuse number 19. The process of RNA interferon has been used in the development of plant resistance to insects, nematodes, fungi, viruses. Option B is correct, nematodes. 20. Specific triplet of nitrogen base on transfer RNA is called codon, anticodon, genetic code, none of the above. The correct option is option B, anticodon. Excuse number 21. Term gene was coined by M.S. Clintock, Morgan, Johnson, D. Dove, all of above. Correct option is option B, Johnson. 22. Advantages of somatic hybridization over sexual hybridization is it can be done in same plant, it can be done in same plant species, it can be done in different plant species, all of above. The correct option is option C, it can be done in different plant species. 23. Plant tissue culture technique is redefined method of hybridization, vegetative propagation, asexual reproduction, or selection. The correct option is option B, vegetative propagation. Excuse number 24. Somatic hybridization is achieved through grafting, protoplasmian conjugation, recombinant DNA technology. The correct option is option B, protoplasmian. Excuse number 25. The enzyme required to obtain wall-free naked protoplast are cellulase and proteinase, cellulase and pectinase, cellulase and amylase and pectinase. The correct option is option B, cellulase and pectinase. Excuse number 26 is not.